I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about Althea Korea skincare. So I have their full range of skincare right here, which I'll be showing you and also sharing my reviews. And if you don't know what is Althea Korea, they're actually a website where you can buy all the Korean products from makeup to skincare, and also they are all coming from Korea itself, so no fake products. All the products are original, guaranteed, and also above 2 products you purchase is already free shipping. So free shipping if you buy 2 products or more. Prices are amazing because are all from Korea, and definitely it is original. So yeah, what's not to love about Althea Korea? So if you want to know about their brand new, their exclusive products, their skincare, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy, and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching. But wait, stay tuned at the end of this video for a surprise giveaway. So before I start this video, I just want to let you all know that I'll be leaving links down in the description box below, so you guys have easy access to where you can purchase it. And also for all the products, I'll be leaving like pictures to show you the texture and the packaging and all that good stuff. So moving on to the first product that I want to talk about, and I also will be going by sequence when they release the product, because I have like keeping up to date on all their releases. So this is actually their first releases, these 3 products right here, which is their Bare Essential Kit right here. So I'm gonna talk about the cleanser first, because usually we start off our skincare routine by cleanser. So this is the Althea First Contour Cleanser. It just helps to make your skin look super glowy after that, and also it has a very clean type of feeling. So if you feel that your skincare routine you need a cleanser, you always use the cleanser that is very mild and gentle because you have sensitive skin but you want a little bit notch up. I think this cleanser is very suitable, but it's not too overpowering, and I really love the scent of it. And also the interesting part about this cleanser right here, when you put your hands and rub into the texture of this, it has a feeling of like grittiness, and that can actually help to just exfoliate your skin, which I really like about this cleanser as well. So I feel that this cleanser not only make your skin super clean, but it also helps to exfoliate everything. And really, after you use this, if you want glass skin, entire this video, right, these 3 products right here, the contour cleanser, the primer water, and also the fixer cream, these 3 products right here, when I first received it, I got so like heads over heels over it, because it really can make your skin like have the glass skin kind of effect. So I really like it a lot. So moving on to the next like line of this, which is the next product, the primer water. So this one right here is very different. So it claims to be like a toner like that, but if you feel like, if you see like other toner water type of consistency, but this one right here, it's everything combined into one. So I can say maybe it's like a toner, serum, emulsion. But the best part about it is, like, first of all, it smells so good, and like one drop right here can just like hydrate your skin so nicely. And as you can see, it just like blends out so nicely onto the skin, and you can instantly feel like your skin is hydrated, and it absorbs very fast onto the skin as well. You can just pat it in very nicely, and you can see your skin is just like very much hydrated. And the next one right here, which is the Althea Fixer Cream, this one hands down is my favorite favorite product of all the skincare right here, because I always like some type of gel type of consistency, but I feel like after I did my skin transformation, which you haven't watched the video already, will be linked right here. So after I done my skin transformation, I feel that my skin is a little bit more leaning onto the drier side. So it was usually like a very combination to oily skin, but if you have drier skin, you would feel like you would need more moisture out of your skin, because like if you oily skin, gel type of moisturizer overall is a very good moisturizer for you, because it just absorbs right into the skin. And for combination or a little bit more drier type of skin, you can actually try this out, which I am really in love with this, because like this right here, again, it smells amazing, but the texture, so I'm gonna just show you, but the texture, as you can see, it's still like a gel type of texture, but it has the thickness to it. So what you can do is, okay, I just wasted a lot, but it's okay. So what you can do is like you can just put a little bit and it just makes, as you can see, like my skin is already super glowy. Like these three products right here really can make you look like super glowy and make you feel very hydrated. So if you have like dry or mature skin, I highly recommend these three products right here. This range is just perfect for you. So the following product are these right here. This is the Althea Korea Real Fresh Skin Detoxer in rose and also green tea right here. So first of all, I really don't like rose scent, and this just blew my mind away, full stop, because I really don't like any scented product. If you've been following me a long time, you already know that I don't like rose scent at all, but this one right here is so unique that I just like, it's just so fresh, because like they use real rose petal right here. So the scent of it is so good, but other than the scent, which I'm totally obsessed about it, is because like how smooth your skin can actually feel after using this product right here. So this one is actually like a 10-second mask right here. So what I like to do is just pour a little bit on my hand right here, just put it all over my skin, then just look at my skin and then just wash it out, because by the time you put it on your skin, it's already like 10 seconds already. So once I wash everything off already, right, it just feels like super glowy skin. It's like not too hydrated, so you literally need to like moisturize after that. You just feel like your skin is just ready for makeup. That's why I love using this one right here, the rose one, in the morning, because I feel that the particle inside it is just like exfoliate enough for you to just put on like makeup and just have a very smooth finish onto the skin. And as for the green tea right here, this one right here, the texture is a bit like more gritty. I like using it at night because I feel that all the small particle can really again exfoliate all over your skin. Like after you put a heavy day of makeup, you can just exfoliate nicely. So I really like these two products right here, but I actually use this one quite more often because I feel that, you know, when I want my skin to be flawless, my makeup to be flawless, I always go for this. So yeah, I really like this. So what you can do is 10 seconds, just put on your skin and then just like wash it all off, and you can get like super glowy prep skin. So the following product that they released is actually a sunscreen, and this is their Petal Velvet Sun Away SPF PA+++. It is moisture fill and also sebum control. So I can't stress how important sunscreen is actually like for your skincare routine, because you should really protect your skin and before it becomes like pigmentation and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go straight into the point. This sunscreen is really so good. It's definitely my everyday go-to right now because it can help you to control your oil. Not only that, it absorbs super quickly onto the skin. It is not sticky. You can layer like your foundation and also powder. Like for me, like a normal day, I can just use sunscreen and also powder on top, and I just like feel so comfortable because the non-sticky texture can just like lay powder on so like nicely onto the skin, and it just melts everything together, and you can also get the sun protection. So I really love this sunscreen right here, and I highly recommend this product right here. And the following product that they released is actually this product right here. This is the Milk Peel Cream Mask right here. It has AHA, BHA, triplex exfoliating, creamy milk bubbles and soft peeling mask. So this is actually a bubble mask, but it's only need like 1 minute type of bubble mask. So what you can do is you can just dampen your skin first, press a little bit out, put it all over, wait for it to bubble up and just wash it all away. So I have used this couple times already. I have to be honest, this is not my favorite product because I feel that other products I use so far has like already exfoliating properties in it. So why should I really need another product that is so mild for exfoliation? Don't get me wrong, if you have like very sensitive skin or like dry skin, this type of exfoliator is very nice for you because of the milk property in it. After you exfoliate your skin, it's very hydrating for your skin. But for me, I feel that it's not my favorite. And last but not least, the product that they just released is this right here. This is the Pore Purifying Serum Cleanser, pH Balancing, Mint Extract Pore Care and Deep Cleansing. So first of all, how pretty is this packaging right here? I absolutely love the see-through bottle right here. I feel like it's just so sleek and so pretty. And also this one right here I have been using for the past couple of days because I really want to test it out, and I can straight away like compare the difference between these two right here because these two are actually cleanser that they came out with. So I really like the contour cleanser like for everyday basis. This one right here, I feel that it's like basically like an oil. The consistency is like an oil type of cleanser, and if you wear makeup on a daily basis and it's like minimal makeup like what I did today, which will be in my Instagram. I did a video tutorial, so check my Instagram out and stay tuned for that. Coming back to this again, if you have like every day wearing this kind of minimal makeup, I feel that this cleanser is more suitable for you because like it can just remove everything very nicely. But if too heavy duty, I feel that you really need like a real good oil makeup remover cleanser. What I like to do is just pour it out and I massage it onto my skin very nicely. I massage everything already, then I put a little bit water, I massage it again, so it really like feels a bit like a cleanser after you massaging it. And then after that, you just use water and rinse everything off. Every single time I use this cleanser, I feel that make your skin so smooth until you feel like your skin is oily, but there's no oil left at all, which is, don't get me wrong, it's such a great thing because like obviously your skin is so smooth to the point you feel like that, but it kind of just like play with my brain. But overall, I really like this product a lot, and especially for everyday like type of makeup right here, I really like using this one right here rather than the heavy duty makeup removers. Okay, so we finally reached the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy all my honest review as always on these products right here. And now time for the surprise giveaway! Yay! So the giveaway prizes are actually all of the product in this video, all 8 of the Althea Korea skincare that I'll be giving away to one of you guys, one of my lucky subscriber right here. And all you have to do is actually to follow the rules down in the description box below. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video as well. And if you really want to try out the products right here, do stand a chance to win off the products by entering the giveaway. And also I have a link down below where you can get about like RN 20 ringgit off if I'm not mistaken. Just go to my referral link and you can get discount for your purchase. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas to every one of you, and yeah, that's it for this video. I see you in my next video. Bye!